HBAR and Saucerswap, let's go. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research. Let's dip right in. Saucerswap is doing some really good things. If we take a look at the liquidity right now, it is spiking humongously. Okay, if we look at some of the pools in Saucerswap version 2, Sauce HBAR is at 68% APR. USDC, pairing a stablecoin with HBAR, is at 53.83%. That's ridiculous. Jam, I don't know what Jam is, but I wouldn't get into it. But I'm saying it's 253.32% APR. Some of the ones I'm really looking at now are Quant. Quant is a very, very good project. I think will do very well in the future. And it's paired with HBAR, which is one of our favorite coins, at 29.76% APR. Another one, avax, avalanche, gaming, crypto. That's the narrative. That's what everybody's talking about. 42.48%, and you can pair that with HBAR. That is absolutely amazing in my opinion. If you want to get into Saucerswap, you first need a hashpack wallet. If you look at all the other videos that I've made on this channel, you will see multiple ways to get your hashpack wallet. I've shown it many times before. The second thing you need to do is you need to have some HBAR in your wallet. Once you have HBAR in your wallet, you will swap it into multiple different tokens. In my opinion, I think there are probably 4 or 5 pools that I am interested in. I cannot believe that USDC HBAR is 53.83% APR. That's crazy, in my opinion. The Quant one, it intrigues me as well, and so does the avax. Avax is going to be a big player in the next bull market. Whoa, I didn't even see this one. Link. Chainlink HBAR pool. Look at that, 22.29% APR. Where will you find that anywhere else? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add liquidity to the Chainlink HBAR pool. Since it caught me off guard, I like Chainlink. I think it's a great project for the future. So let's swap a little bit of HBAR for Chainlink. We're going to go down here and find link. Hopefully. There we go. And we're going to swap 50, let's do 25% of our HBAR. We want to always make sure we have gas fees, enough HBAR for gas fees. So we're going to swap. We're going to approve it. Once that goes through, we're going to have a little bit of Chainlink and a little bit of HBAR that we can provide to the liquidity pool. Okay, the next step is to decide how we're going to distribute the Chainlink and the HBAR. You can do a balanced pool, a relaxed pool, which is probably the easiest long term. I'm going to do a balanced pool. All right, we're going to go here and we're going to use all of our Chainlink. And then we're going to use whatever is the equivalent of HBAR in our other side of our pool, our token B. Okay, a lot's been going on. I was trying to add liquidity with the Link HBAR pool. I was able to do that. It's very secure. I think Hashback Wallet is one of my favorite wallets to use, and I think it's pretty secure. So if we go to liquidity now, if we go down to my pools, we'll see I have a small position with Lincoln HBAR, which I think that's a pretty 22.29% APR average is very good, especially with two blue chip assets. If you are a fan of HBAR, you need to maybe consider getting into Saucerswap. Saucerswap is a good way to make more APRs. If you look at this, what they're doing with the Sauce token, stake Sauce and receive X Sauce. The infinity pool automatically compounds via Sauce buybacks from three sources: HBAR native staking, farm emissions, and a portion of swap fees from all liquidity pools. Rewards are proportional to your share of the pool. Obviously, that makes sense. And the Sauce token has been doing very well lately. It bothers me a little bit. Any token that is part of an exchange or a rewards token, make sure you don't invest in it too much. Saucerswap token, the Sauce token, is doing very well right now because of their tokenomics. The best pools to get into, in my opinion, are possibly the Quant HBAR pool, the Bitcoin HBAR pool, 31.7%, putting HBAR with Bitcoin. It's pretty good. The other one is the avax pool, avax and HBAR, putting 42.46% APR with two of the best coins out there. In my opinion, is good. The other one that caught my eye was the Ethereum HBAR pool, 50.26% APR. Link as well, Link and HBAR. The HBAR ecosystem has a lot of opportunities, and I think Saucerswap is one of them. I wanted to go over this project again. I've been a fan of it in the past. I really like some of the pools. If you want to be conservative, do the HBARX HBAR pool. If you want to get a little risky, do the Quant, Bitcoin, or avax HBAR pools. If you have any projects you want me to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments of this video. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.